This is problem number 11. In this, we need to write a C++ program which reads a square matrix of A and N and print only the elements that falls in the diagonal starting from A00 to A and N, and all other elements printed as 0. Let us take the test case 1 for rows 3 and columns 3. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The output should be only the diagonal element should get printed and rest all the other elements should print 0, right? And similarly, we are having the test case 2 here for rows 4 and columns 4. These are the elements and this should be the output, right? So let us write the code for this. So for that, firstly, I'm including IOStream library, uh, then using namespace std, then int main, and then what we need to do, firstly, we need to initialize two variables which are int row, comma column. Here what we'll need, we need to take the user input, right? So firstly, we'll print the statement that enter the number of rows and columns, right? Then we need to see in row and then column, right? Now we need to initialize one array of index, one 2D array of row and column, right? Now what we need to do, we need to take the input for this, right? So for int I is equals to row, I less than, I is equals to 0, I less than row, then I plus plus. In that case, what we need to do, we need to take the input, we need to take the inner loop also. So for int j is equals to 0, j less than call, and then j plus plus. In that case, cin array of I comma j index, right? So here we have taken the input from the user, right? So again we need to take another loop, right? Here we have taken the another loop, and here we are taking the cout statement, that cout uh, array I comma j. But we are given with one consent that only the diagonal element should get printed, rest other elements should get printed as 0, right? So here we will take one if condition, that if my I value is equals to j, in that case only cout I comma j, else cout 0, right? So for formatting also I'm printing on space after all elements, right? Now after finishing one column, then move to next line, handle, right? So this is our simple code for printing these values for this problem. So now let us run this code. I'm printing F11. It is asking for the number of rows and columns. So our first input is 3 comma 3. So 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns. The first element we are giving is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it is printing us the correct input, the correct output, but in the wrong format. So let us check the format. Yes, the cout statement should be outside this loop, right? Now again I'm pressing F11 and then 3 comma 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. This is the required output. Okay. Now let us check for the second case also. 4 comma 4, and then the elements are 1 comma 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and then 16. Yes, only the diagonal elements are getting printed over here, right? So this is our simple code for this problem. Thank you.